I'm sorry, sweetheart. This is the world I'm giving you today. It's the same thing no matter what you read from Delhi to Bombay. I wish it was different, darling. Wish you could feel nice and safe. But the world's gone crazy. I don't know what to say.
What's in a name, you'd say? But as singer Mihir Joshi discovered, quite a lot. His use of Bombay in a song that released on YouTube in May last year was cleared to play on TV by the CBFC, only after the word Bombay was muted. This happened in December when the previous CBFC board, led by Leela Sampson, was on censor duty. So while the song says Bombay on YouTube, it says bleep on TV, and a puzzled singer lyricist has no idea why one is okay and the other is not.
The song has been up on YouTube evidently for the last 8 months. 31st of May is when it was launched, and about a few months ago we finally decided that we want to get it out on television. I was talking to my label Times Music and I told them let's get it certified so that the channels can play it, and they sent it in November to the censor board to get the certification for that. So the censor board sent it back to them saying that unless the word Bombay is removed from the song and also sort of blurred out from the lyrics that come on the screen, they said that you'll have to remove the word Bombay from there and from the actual singing part of it. Very frankly, I said yes back then because to me the word Bombay in my entire song is just incidental. The message of the song is something much bigger and something that is a lot more important to me. It's a father talking to a daughter, apologizing to her for the world that he has given her. That's the main message of the song. I would have loved to use the word Mumbai. It's just that it didn't rhyme with the song, with the lyrics of the song. It is not a word which causes hurt or anger or pain or anything like that. The usage of the word Bombay in my song wasn't in a political sense, wasn't in a way to sensationalize the song. I saw the song on television for the first time. I had not seen the edited video of the song. When I saw the song, I said that it's funny that the censor board removed the word Bombay. Can somebody explain to me what the logic of it is? I did not fight with the censor board. I did not talk to them. I did not ask them to revert my decision. So I'm not contesting it. I'm just wanting an answer. I want to know why it is wrong. And if the censor board themselves tell me that there is nothing wrong with it, then I would request that they give the word back in the song. There is a movie coming out in a few months. It's on the cover page today of a newspaper which has the word Bombay in it again, Bombay Times and Bombay Velvet. This movie will go to the censor board and they'll have to decide whether the word Bombay is relevant there or not, irrespective of whether it is a period piece and it's about a time when Mumbai was called Bombay. The word Bombay is still going to be there in mainstream media, and it's there right now everywhere. Everyone's talking about the movie. So if the word Bombay is acceptable over there, I would at least want to know why the word Bombay is not acceptable in my song. If today they can censor the word Bombay, you don't know what the next thing they will think is not right for you to say. Maybe it could be another very harmless word which they think is just not right for public to hear.